One of the most common organization actions is edit program. To edit a program for your organization, go to moment.com and tap Login. If you are already logged in, you will land on My Organizations page. In this case, Rachel is the admin of both Redwood Grove and Redwood Grove Summer. By tapping the blue Admin Dashboard button, she lands on the organization dashboard of Redwood Grove Summer. Under the Programs tab, scroll to the program you would like to edit. In this case, we will select Redwood Grove Outdoor Explorations. On the Redwood Grove Outdoor Explorations page, there are two tabs, Program Management and Communications, as well as a list of top program actions. Under Program Actions, select Edit Program. On this screen, you can edit the basic info, which includes the program name and description, as well as if the program is open for enrollment, has communication tools added, is private, and if there is a price associated with signing up for the program. Under the optional info, you can change the avatar, edit the start date and end date, age ranges, grade levels, number of sessions, program capacity, and even archive the program. Under Locations and Tags, you can apply a specific location to your program and add a tag. Under Questions and Waivers, you can add custom questions and waivers to your program. Or you can create a new custom question or waiver that can include various types from yes/no questions to long text, as well as multiple choice and upload file. Once you have finished editing your program, tap Save Changes. To see how your program looks from a parent perspective, tap the blue Switch to Parent side.